Oh, it can't be. It is. I'm so happy and honored to pull this card. Spot number 5 for the house. Oh my goodness. It's the 16-time champion, 2-time Hall of Famer, the one and only Nature Boy Autograph. Oh boy, had a steady hand. He probably only had about 8 bourbons going into that autograph. Oh, that is beautiful. 40 out of 40. The last one he signed, he must have been half in the bag at that point. Oh yeah. The Nature Boy, 16-time world champ, 2-time Hall of Famer. Well, that's even possible. It's 2 Hall of Fames. Fantastic stuff. May this man live to be 110 because we love his antics. But the day he does, he almost was in a coma for 30 days about 2 years ago. The day he does pass, it's going to be a sad day in sports. Cards will probably double in price. He has an impact throughout the whole world in every sport. Even if you don't follow wrestling, everybody knows Nature Boy. 40 out of 40. That's all Rick would have signed. It was only 40. You know, he's got some other things he's got going on.